So what's up guys, welcome to CSS class, and in this class we will be looking at borders. Okay, so how we could give border to any element. So let's get started. I'll be making use of the division first, and inside of the division I'll be putting some content. Okay, so first what I'll do is I will make use of the paragraph, and inside paragraph I'll put some text. Let me just make this thing ready. Okay, so these are the two paragraphs which I added by me over here. So basically this is a text which I picked up from the Google just to make this thing look something like what is present over here. So basically this is the content of Wikipedia what I picked up. So now let's get started, and what I'll do is I will show you how to give the border to this content. Okay, so I will be directly going to the style tag, and what I will do is I will call my or apply these properties on the division. So I'll be calling division, and I'll be saying uh, border. Okay, so I will be making use of the border over here, and I will be saying border as 5 pixels. And if I'm just saving and refreshing my page, okay, so I'm not getting because I have forgotten to add the other parameters. So I'll be saying 5 megapixels solid, and after that I'll be giving the color. I am giving the red color. I'm saving and refreshing this page. Now I'm getting this border. Okay, so this is the 5 megapixel. This width of this border is 5 megapixel, which is red in color and which is solid. And if I am saying something like dotted over here, and if I'm just saving and refreshing this page, then I'm getting dotted line. And if I'm just saying dashed, then line would be something like dashes. Okay, so this is the dashed border. So basically there are different type of the borders that you people could give. Okay, so now let me just move on to the next part. And these are the two paragraphs. This is the first paragraph and this is the second paragraph. Now what I'll do is I'll be making use of the concept known as a class, and I will be giving this class to this first paragraph as p1, and when it comes to the second I will be giving the class as p2. Okay, so these are the two classes which are given by me. And now what I'll do over here is I will say p dot p1 because this is also a paragraph of and element is p, so this will be the conflict. So I have given the classes. So for this first paragraph I have given the class as p1, and for second paragraph I have given the class as p2. Okay, so whenever I want to apply any properties to this particular first element, then I should be calling this first paragraph as p dot p1. Okay, and whenever I want to if I want to call the second paragraph, then I'll be saying something like p dot p2. Okay, so this is how you should be applying the properties, and always make sure that you are opening and closing this bracket. Okay, so now if I'm saying something like border, and something like 2 pixels solid green. Okay, and for the second paragraph I will just go over here, and I will say border which is 3 pixels dashed, and I will give the color as blue. Okay, so now if I'm just saving this, coming over here and refreshing this page, then this is how I am getting the output. Okay, so this is how you could do. This is the what I have done over here. This is the concept of the class, and there are two ways in which you could apply the properties to element. Okay, so one is through class and another one is through id. I'll be showing that in my other class, but as of now this is how things are working over here. And now I will be showing you guys how to make use of the another property, which is border. I will be saying border top. Okay, so now what this will do is this will apply the properties to the top border. Okay, and I will be saying top border is blue in color. If I'm just saving this and coming and refreshing this page. Then okay, I forgot to give the color. Okay, so now what I've done is I have turned this top border to pink in color, and now what I will do is border at the bottom, which is a bottom border, will be, I want to turn it to something like black. Okay, I'll be turning it to black color, and even if I want to change the size of it, I can do that. I'll be saying 10 pixels, and instead of this you could even say solid. Okay, and if I'm just saving and refreshing this, then this is how I could even make changes. Whatever changes I want to make, I could do that with the help of this thing. Okay, so now if I want to give the border radius, okay, so I'll be saying border radius. Okay, so what this will do is this will be giving the border. Okay, so let me show you how this thing is working. I'll be giving the border as 5 pixels. If I'm just saving and refreshing this page, then I will be getting the border. Okay, as can be seen, there is a slight border. If I am changing this to something like 25 and saving this and refreshing this page, then I'm getting 25 pixels round border sideways. Okay, so you could even make use of this particular attribute. If I just want to give the border to the, I mean, border radius to one side only, then I could do that as well, I guess. I don't know, let me see. No, it is not working. Okay, so let me just try it another way. Border right, okay, so there are these options, which is border right and the border right color. Let me just choose this one, which is border top right radius, and if I'm just saving this and refreshing, now I'm getting this different value, which is only this border has been changed, which is top right. If I want, I could even say bottom right, and if I'm just clicking and saving this, then the bottom right border radius has been changed. Okay, so you could even implement these changes this way, the way you want. Okay, so this was all about the border radius. Thanks for watching.